Create a 4K educational video for kids on the fundamentals of time management. The video should be visually engaging and professional, with smooth transitions between scenes. Use colorful, child-friendly animations to illustrate key concepts like making schedules, setting priorities, breaking tasks into smaller steps, and balancing time between school, play, and rest. Show examples of how a typical day can be organized, including interactive scenes where children learn to plan their activities. Incorporate tips on avoiding distractions and staying focused. The visuals should be seamless, clear, and appealing, keeping the attention of both children and parents. This prompt should guide the AI to create a professional and cohesive educational video with vibrant, high-quality visuals perfect for YouTube or TikTok.